Hello, Jai Hind दोस्तों. Once again, I'm back with another paper of Jabalpur ARO held on 1st November 2020. Okay, so again this is a English medium. ये English medium में होगा क्लास क्योंकि अभी मोस्टली आई एम फोकसिंग फॉर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ कर्नाटका एंड साउथ इंडिया. ठीक है, सो फॉर दिस स्टूडेंट्स इंग्लिश मीडियम बैच इन इंग्लिश आई विल बी सॉल्विंग द पेपर. सो लेट्स बिगिन इट. ठीक है, सो ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ this topic is asked here. Okay, let's write this thing first of all. Cost price of the article is 200 rupees. Everyone, CP is equal to 200 and sold for 198. Selling price is equal to 198. Done. What is the loss percentage? Can you tell me 200 rupees if you have purchased the item, ನೀವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ 200 rupees, ಬಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ 198 ಅಂದರೆ 2 rupees ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 200 minus 198, that is 2 rupees. Loss percentage is asked, so remember loss percentage is equal to L by CP into 100. Simple formula you have to remember. Okay, loss ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ 2 rupees. Cost price of the article ಎಷ್ಟು 200. 2 by 200 into 100. Come on, 100 ones are 100 twos are 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Answer for the question is 1% loss. So this is the loss the shopkeeper is getting, option B. If question asked is about profit percentage, so remember profit percentage formula also you have to remember P by CP into 100. ठीक है, profit percentage ಅಂದರೆ profit ಬರಿಬೇಕು, loss percentage ಅಂದರೆ L ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So in the denominator always CP will be there. This you have to remember. Find the value of this. Now do not do this question like this 249 into 249. Okay, the question will become very lengthier. So remember algebraic formulas. What is this? Basically it is something like a square, this is something like b square. A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, I hope everyone understood it. Now we will write the same thing. Question asked is 249 square minus 248 square. What we have to do? Add the two numbers. Okay, the ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 249 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 248, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 249 minus 248. Okay, after you subtract, what you can see clearly in this question, when you subtract it 249 minus 248 is nothing but 1. Just you have to add these two now. 8 plus 9 17, 4 plus 5 that is 9, 2 plus 2 4, 497 into 1. Okay, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ into 497. 497 is the answer for this question. A square minus b square formula you have to remember. Next question is a plus b the whole square. Okay, remember this formula. Two formulas I will tell you, remember. A plus b the whole square formula is basically a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so what is the question asked? X plus 2 the whole square. Everyone see here, first number square ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, first number the square x square, then square the second number 2 square. Okay, then 2 into first number into second number, first number into second number, first number into second number, 2 into x into 2. So how much this is becoming? It will become x square plus 4, 2 2s are 4, 4x. So x square plus 4 plus 4x, option number B. This this is not there. Option number C, D, x square plus 4x plus 4. That's the answer. Extra formula you just remember, one more formula also. This is first formula you have to remember, one more formula. If this is negative, everyone write down a minus b the whole square is equal to a square b square minus 2ab. ठीक है, ये फॉर्मूला आपको याद रखना है. मूविंग अहेड टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, फाइंड द सम ऑफ दिस. सिंपल क्वेश्चन, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So answer for this question, take the LCM of 2, 3, 4. LCM of 2, 3, 4 is 12. ठीक है. LCM of 2, 3, 4, LCM of 2, 3, 4 is equal to 12. Shortcut technique, how I have done this shortcut technique of LCM 2, 3, 4. Shortcut technique. Highest number, just circle it when you are finding LCM by shortcut method. Where is our question? LCM by our shortcut method. Highest number you have to check whether this number is divisible by 2 and 3. No, 4 is not divisible by 3. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ 3 ಟೇಬಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, 3 ಟೇಬಲ್ में 4 नहीं आता. So next table, 4 2s are 8. Okay, in 3 table 8 is not there, cancel. 4 3s are 12. Yes, 12 is there in 2 table, 12 is there in 3 table, 12 is there in 4 table. So 12 is the LCM. You can do like this, or else you can do it like this, 2, 3, 4 and simplify. 2 1s are 2 2s are and something like this, 2 1s are 2 till you get 1 1 1. You have to do and multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 is the LCM. So 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 into which number is 12? 4 3s are 12, 6 1s are 6, 4 1s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 by 12. Option D, that's the answer for the question. Same, 11 by 15 minus 7 by 15. Remember, whenever denominator same ಇದೆ, ಯಾವಾಗೂ denominator same ಇದೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. LCM ಏನು ಬೇಡ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ 11 minus 7 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 15, ಕಾಮನ್ 15 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4, 4 by 15. That's the answer for the question, option B. ओके, चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ. रेशियो ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज दिस. सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्मेट. रिमेंबर, रेशियो A is to B can be written as A by B also. So 22 is to 44. I will write like this. You can write directly like this, but I will write like this, 22 divided by 44. Simplify it. 2 11s are and 2 2s are 2 2s are. Okay, 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22. 1 by 2 we are getting how much? We are getting 1 by 2. Answer for the question is, okay, this is not there. Let's check from this options, because that's not the option. वो option में नहीं है, 24 है. sorry, that is not 22, that is 24. तो एक काम करेंगे, 24 लिखेंगे, नीचे क्या है? 44 है. 4 6 4 11s are 4 6 are 4 11s are 6 by 11. 6 by 11 is the answer. Average, question of average topic is asked. Average topic का ये lesson question पूछा. Average में दो formula, only two formula you have to remember. One formula is average is equal to sum of all the elements divided by total number of elements. Similarly sum is equal to what? Average multiplied by number होगा, average into number. Okay, same formula, sum is equal to average multiplied by number there. In the cricket team, the average age of 11 player and the coach. How many people are there totally? 11 players and 1 coach. There are totally 12 people. How many 12 people are there? Number of people are 12 people. 11 player, 1 coach, 12 people. Okay, average age ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? What is the average? 18 year. So average ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 18 year ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಫ್ ದ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೋಚ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಕೋಚ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಚ್ ಬೇಡ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಕೋಚ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಇದು ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತದೆ, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತದೆ? 12ದಿಂದ 1 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ 1 ಫ್ರಮ್ 12, ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 11. The average decreases by 1, so the average should decrease by 1. 18 minus 1, 17. What is asked? Find the age of coach is asked. Everyone just see. Number of persons 12, average is 18. Okay, I told you here sum is equal to sum या फिर total or sum both are same. Sum or total both are same. So total is equal to what I told first. Total is equal to average into number. Total is equal to average into number. Let us find the total age of these 12 persons. 12 into 18. 18 2s are 36, 180 plus 36, 216. Next, 17 into 11. 17 into 11, how much? 7, 1 is 1, 1 plus 7, 8 and 7. Yes. So when 12 persons were there, total age was 216 years. Total age of all the 12. When 11 are there, total is how much? 187 years. Do the subtraction of this. 16 minus 7, that is nothing but 9. 11 minus 9, that is nothing but 2. And this 1 minus 1, I mean 2 minus 2, 0. So this 29 year is nothing but age of this coach, because 12 persons total age ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ 11 persons, average ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಒಂದಿಂದ 11 into 17, 187 years. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು? 29 years. ಸೊ ಅದರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೋಚ್ ಏಜ್. 29 year is the age of coach. Option 2 numbers 2/3 ratio. ಸೊ 2:3 ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಇದು ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. 5 is added to each, ratio become 5/7. The new ratio is becoming 5/7. Why? 5 is added. Let's check how much is added. 2 plus which number? 2 plus which? Here how much is getting added? Plus 3. Here 3 plus which number? Plus 4 हो रहा है. When the difference is like this, it is not same. You have to change it. Better I will tell you method number 2. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ठीक है. ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಇದ್ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. 2:3 ಇದೆ, ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬರೀರಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 5:7, ಓಕೆ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್? 5 ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಈಚ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ +5 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದರ ನಂಬರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ +5 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಓಕೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಬಿಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. What we will do? We will cross multiply. How to solve this question? Whenever 2 ratios are given, ಯಾವಾಗ 2 ratios ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬರೀರಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬರೀರಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. +5 +5 ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ. 2 into 7 ಎಷ್ಟು? 14 ಮೈನಸ್ 5 into 3. 5 into 3 ಎಷ್ಟು? 5 multiplied by 3, 15. Arrow mark. Same here. 5 5s are how much? 25 minus 5 into 7 how much? 35. Come on. 14 minus 15, 1. Take it positive. Represents 25 minus 35, 10. 110. 110. One value, one ratio ಅಂದರೆ 10. ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ಬಿಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ठीक है. We want the bigger number. ಬಿಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಎ, ಇದು ಬಿ. ಯಾವ ಬಿಗರ್ ಇದೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಬಿಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬಿಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ 110 ಬಿಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 1 is equal to 10. ಸೊ 3 will be 3 into 10, 30. So 30 30 30. This is the answer. Smaller number is asked. 2 is equal to how much? You have to do. Rectangle and क्या दिया है? In the rectangle the base is 12 and the height is 5. Okay. What is the area? Simple question. This is 12, the height is 5. Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So this is length, this is breadth. Multiply 12 into 5. 60 is the answer for the question. 2 cubes having volume in the ratio 1:27. Cubes andre ena? This is the cube. This is the cube, 3D figure, like this. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಎ, ಇದು ಸೈಡ್ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಎ, ಹೈಟ್ ಎ ಇದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂದರೆ 6 times a square. ಯಾಕೆ a square ಬಂದಿದೆ? ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಫೇಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ a square. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಫೇಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಫೇಸಸ್ ಇದೆ? ಡೈಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. You know the dice, how many total faces it has? 6 faces. So a square multiplied by 6, 6a square. Okay, otherwise directly remember 6a square like this. So what is given? Ratio of volume is given. Volume ratio is given. So can I write volume of 1 divided by volume of the second, okay, is equal to how much? 1/27. volume is equal to, what is the formula of volume? A cube. I will write A1 cube. Volume of second, A2 cube is equal to 1 by 27. A cube is equal to 1, A cube is equal to 27. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ 27 ಬರುತ್ತದೆ? 3 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಸೊ 3 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು A1 by A2 ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, A1 by A2 ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು A ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 27 ಎಷ್ಟು? 3. ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1. A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 3. Question asked is ratio of surface area is asked. Ratio of surface area, total surface area formula ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ 6a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಇದು 6a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 6a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. 6 ಮತ್ತು 6 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. A1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ A2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. A1 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. A2 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3. 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1. 3 square is equal to 9. 1 by 9. 1 by 9. Option number 1. That's the answer for the question. Directly, like by using this formula you can do it. Moving ahead to the next. Cricketer. Now what is the mean score? Mean is nothing but average. Mean andre ena? Average. So average is equal to what? Sum of all divided by total numbers. Sum madri illa 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 100 plus 0. 0 0 also you have to take. Divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, let us add it quickly. How much it will become? Okay, you can just do it. 76 plus 46, 76 plus 46. No. I will do it like this, everyone. 58 plus 76. How much it will become? Come on, add it. Unit place add करेंगे. 8 plus 6 14, 14 14 5 that is 19, 19 6 25, 25 5 30. So I will write 0, 3 carry, 5 3 8, 8 7 15, 8 7 15, 15 19, 19 22, 22 26, 26 30, 30 plus 10 40. 40 here, 400 upon 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 5s are 40, 8 zeros are 50 is the answer. That's the answer for the question here. Moving ahead, HCF and LCM. LCM into HCF equal to first one of the number into second number. Simple most asked question. HCF is 11, LCM is 7700. First number 275, second number don't know. Come on, cancel the things. Dekho, if you want the second number x, this number if you want you can shift it like here, 7700 into 11. This number you can shift it here. This will become 275. Let us simplify it. Okay, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 5 remainder, 11 5s are 55. Then with 5 table you can cut, or else directly if you know 25 table, 25 ones are 25, 25 3s are 75, 25 zeros are compulsory you should write. 25 directly don't say 25 8s are 25, zeros are 20, then you say 25 8s are this. 308 is the answer for this question. Moving ahead. Simple question. 15% of 15, little fast. 15% of 15, 15 into 15, 225 divided by 100. Decimal will come here after 2 places. 2.25. This is the option. 45 men 26 days. MDH question. MD is equal to MD question. 45 men day. These are the men, these are days, men day. Men कितना है? 45. How many men? 45. ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೇಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? 25 ದಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ men ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನಮಗೆ 15 ಡೇಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಇದು men. How many men are there? X. Come on, simplify. 15 ones are 15, 15 3s are 45, 25 into 3 75. So X is equal to 75. That's the answer for the question. How many surfaces are there in the cube? Cube ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು surfaces ಇದೆ? ठीक है, after before some time I told you cube, this is the cube. Front face, back face, side face, left side face, top and right. How many faces? 6 faces are there. ठीक है, answer for the question is 6. Missing 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 64, 81. That's the number given. ठीक है, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, question mark and 64. What are these numbers? ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ numbers ಏನಿದೆ? Squares. ಇದು 1 square, ಇದು 2 square, ಇದು 3 square, ಇದು 4 square, this is 5 square, this is 6 square, this is 7 square. 7 square ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 7 square ಅಂದರೆ 49. 49 is the answer for the question. A, B, C, E, F, G, this is the question. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Simple question है. Directly you can do. A, B, C, D is not there. Can you see this? Can you see this? I hope you can see, otherwise I'll write it. A, B, C, then E, F, G, I, J, K, M, N, O. What will come after this? Here what will come? Can you see? A, B, C, D is not there. E, F, G, H is not there. I, J, K, L here, M, N, O. Then M, N, O. P will come. Then after P, Q, R, S. QRS, QRS, QRS. That's the answer for the question here. Moving ahead. AYS is written as bad. AYS is bad. BYS is what? AYS andre BAT. So namge question ide BYS means how much? A is becoming B plus 1. Y is becoming A. Alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, S. Come on. Y, Z, then A. So how much it is becoming? Plus 2. Y, Z, amile A. Next here. After S, T is there. Just plus 1. Same logic we will do here. B plus 1. After B directly after A, B is there. Like after B, B के बाद में क्या आएगा? C आएगा. Y के बाद में क्या आएगा? Y plus 2 अंदर A. Y, Z आमिले A बन S. S will become what? After S, what is there? P, Q, R, S, T. Cat is the answer for the question here. Okay, direction question. Vijay walks 5 km south. 5 km south. Okay. Then walks 3 km turning right. Illinda right turn madide 3 km. Here 3 km. Again he turn right. Again illinda right turn and walk 5 km. 5 km. Question asked is how far is he from the starting point? Illinda distance est 3 km illide. So same to same 3 km is the answer for the question. 3 km is the answer. Okay, last question. 15789 is this much. This is this. Then how much? 23549 will be written as what? 23549 is how much? What is the code of 222222? Can you see this? Where is 222? Okay. 2 under N. Okay. 3 code. Where is 3 number? Here. 3 under P. P bareri. 5 here. 5 T. 4 is here. 4 is here. 4 is here. 4 is here. So take S. 9 कहाँ है? 9 यहाँ पर है. 9 is L. So answer for the question is NPTSL. 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 That's the answer for the question. ठीक है? I hope you have understood all these questions. Okay. Whatever your views are there, you can share in the chat box. आप share chat box में बता सकते हो. हिंदी मीडियम वालों के लिए कुछ दिनों के बाद में मैं शुरू करूँगा. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹಾವೇರಿ ಹಾಸನ್ ಅದೇ ಬ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ನ್ಯೂ ರ್ಯಾಲೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಸಿ ಯು. ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್.